Hello viewers, Microsoft Edge just got a new update a few hours ago. To check if you have it, go to the main menu, select help and feedback, then click on about Microsoft Edge. The latest version showing right now is 139.0.3405.119. This is a small point update, meaning just a minor version change at the moment. There is no official information about what's included. The change log and release notes have not been updated yet, and this often happens with these kind of smaller updates. From what I can tell, this looks like a bug fix and performance improvement update, since the regular weekly Chromium security patches have not been released yet. It could also possibly be an emergency security update, but I don't think that's the case here. If anything change or new detail come out, I will share them with you. For now, it's safe to say this is just a maintenance bug fix update. I have taken a quick look around the browser and I have not noticed any visible change or new features. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.